Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, July 24th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we're starting off on the daily time frame. I wanted to start on the daily time frame because I just wanted to show you that we're not even close to a Fibonacci retracement level of this whole move down from the daily and weekly. What does that mean? That means that it probably is eventually going to go up to the 78% and maybe even a lot higher like I've been saying for weeks now, this could turn into a 1, 2, 3 and just keep on going and going and going. So definitely keep that in mind. Going down to these sort of time frames. For me, I would do nothing but look for longs unless we had a significant break of structure. The last end of a correction is right here, so that's the last significant structure. So anything that happens between these two lines could just be a pullback to the last move up, this wave up right here. So if you do see a nice little pullback to any one of these Fibonacci levels, and then a nice engulfing move to the upside, I definitely would continue to look for longs on these sort of time frames, at least until we do get some sort of a break to the downside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.